So, guys, we have another Google Ads related query question. Hi, my campaign started off well and got 5 conversions in the first two first days. I mean, first 2 days. Okay, that's very good. But it's now been 2 days since I have received any conversion, and I'm still getting lots of click. Is this normal? Yeah, it's normal. You are getting traffic. Okay, so but you are worried, like, your ultimate goal is to get conversions from Google Ads, and you are not getting conversions from Google Ads, so you must be like worried on what to do and how you can optimize this situation. So you don't have to worry. First of all, the thing is that your campaign is new, so you need to be patient. Your campaign is new. Patient, you need to be patient because Google is gathering data about your campaign. Look around on your bidding strategies, because you may have to change those strategies later on, so work out on those. Install conversion tracking immediately as soon as possible, so Google actually knows that what is working well for you, because Google is not testing out and trying out different audiences to see which one works well for you. And all this can go in vain in case if you are not having conversion tracker being installed on your website. So what you have to do right now is to install conversion tracking on your website, so you can track what's happening around with Google Ads on your website. So focus on that thing. And now you also need to analyze for those 5 conversions. Okay, analyze those 5. How you can analyze which ad converted? Okay, we can make up bullet points over here. Which ad converted, timing when the ad converted, location or area from which the conversion came, the keyword, any relation with the day of the week, like are you getting the same conversion on the same day, or is it on a different days? So because if in case if it's in the same day, then you have to be like you need to, I'll be worried a little on what's the scenario here. So any relation with the days of the campaign. And there can be another thing, and that is to look around on ad position. Okay, ad position is also something like previously you were showing your ad on second position and it was working well, but we normally try to focus on the first position, and I have been seeing it at many places that first position doesn't necessarily means more conversion. So because it's all about brand segmentation, brand positioning, so previously showing on second position working well, or on third working well, and now it's not working well. So you need to analyze these few things and figure out on what's having the issue. In case if you are looking for a full Google Ads audit, me and my team can help you in doing the full Google Ads audit to get it sorted. And look around on, because our checklist is around of 100 steps, and we also do a detail. We also even look around for any relation on device type. I mean, there are so many things we look out on the deep Google Ads audit, and we figure out a lot of work on it. So in case if you want a deep Google Ads audit, me and my team will be gladly able to help it out and do it for you. The details are in the description of this video. And did you like the video? In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and bye bye.